In this world, there are always those who dare to seek the unseen light, and those who pave the uncharted path. Can the dust that witnesses sweat become the key to energy? When the spinning wheels meet dreams, Zhang Xiru gathers wisdom and strength to forge talent. Through continuous reflection and verification, Zhang Xiru has paved a broad path for its success with higher standards. A manufacturing team of over 400 experienced professionals and more than 100 mid to senior level engineering and technical personnel have persevered through thick and thin, infusing their wisdom into the body of industry. Empowered by modern factories and advanced production and processing centers, CNC machine tools, testing equipment, and other supporting technologies, Zhang Xiru is embarking on a new journey in the wheel manufacturing field with a better attitude. Currently, Jiangxi REW has passed the Japanese VIA certification and has won honors such as Provincial High-Tech Enterprise, Provincial Specialized and Innovative Enterprise, Provincial Technology Center, and Provincial Little Giant, enjoying considerable brand recognition in the market. Aluminum alloy wheels across 3 major series forged, cast, and suspended Jiangxi REW strives to meet the diverse and multi-level product needs of its customers. As an automotive aluminum alloy wheel manufacturer integrating R&D, production, and sales, Jiangxi REW's unwavering strategic direction for the next few years remains to build a leading brand in the wheel manufacturing industry and become a significant force in global wheel manufacturing. Jiangxi REW will continue to provide customers with advanced and reliable manufacturing solutions through technological innovation and process improvement, lean manufacturing, and supply chain layout, offering vehicle manufacturers and consumers a wider range of high-quality wheel products and better choices. Where the light shines, there is direction. Jiangxi REW expands its territory, born towards the light, creating a new future for high-tech development. In the aluminum alloy wheel industry within the smallest of its dimensions, adhering to the principles of quality first and customer first, Jiangxi REW moves forward steadily, believing that in its pursuit of the sun, it will surely be illuminated by it.